Hi friends, good evening everybody. Welcome to Alpha Technicals. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also please press the bell icon. As is a weekly wrap, okay, the video may be slightly, this will be maybe slightly for a more time, okay. The length of the video will be more. So as you can see, as we analyzed last week, okay, see this 9500 was mentioned, okay, so exactly it has taken, I also told it may be a trap, right? So gap down opened and then market rallied. It was a very big surprise rally. It has even crossed our second, this is our support, this is our resistance, this is our cross resistance. The next resistance will be at 10,067 and 10,174. please write down and keep it, these two. If that breaks, then again it may touch 10,336. See, going upside will be tough for the market because you can see it is just below our 100-day moving average, but it has crossed and closed above 55 moving average. Just below our this 100 moving average will give you a strong resistance to the market, okay, strong resistance to the market. You can see here it comes around 10,037. so even if it breaks the high, it may go there 10,037. briefly it may stop or it may reverse. Okay, if briefly stop, it continues, then it will touch 10,106, then 10,130 and then 10,167. so mostly it may trade within this range. Okay, let us see in the daily and weekly candle also. So you can see it is just below our 50% retracement in Fibonacci. It has to cross. Going upside will be very tough for the market because in every step you can see there is a resistance. If it crosses all this resistance, closes above 10,336 or this, what is the high, 10,228 something was the high, 1 minute, 10,327 is closes above that for a day, and then that high breaks, then it can proceed again, then we'll have 61.8 retracement resistance. Okay, let us see what happens. We don't know, we'll also check of the weekly candle, right? You can see this is a weekly candle. Okay, in weekly candle you can see it has taken support at 13-day moving average. Okay, right, and then our super trend is also still in red. This is a there is, see, you can see the power of the bears from 10,306 to 9,950, and then power of the bulls is 50%, power of the bears is 100%. so it is very confusing to take the decision. We have to check the volume data, cash activity and futures activity, only then we will be able to be very clearly. From intraday perspective, we can just take these numbers. Okay, this will be a crucial support, 9,888. okay, because you can see this has been tested multiple times. Okay, again it has to break the high. Okay, till 9,998. okay, it breaks the high, then it will touch 10,038. again 10,038 is getting repeated. Again you can see 10,085. so from here only market has fallen. Tomorrow it may go up to here. If it breaks, it goes down below this 9879, say it will touch 999823. this is a what you call 100-day moving average in 1 hour candle. Okay, I am telling you from intraday perspective. Then it comes down, will come to 9720. it may not come so far, or it may come, we don't know. Then it will touch 9626 and again it will take support at 9580. these things, the support and resistance and points, will confirm it with the OA data. This is one data point. From weekly it is very confusion. Okay, from daily it has to break and will take resistance 10,031. again in 1 hour candle the resistance was 10,037. so going up for the market will be very, it has to struggle a lot. Coming down, it may come down easily. That is the point what I was trying to explain. Okay, now we'll go and see options data. What does options data? See, you can see in 10,000 you can see there is a huge build up, 17 lakhs. Again in 10,100 you can see 13 lakhs build up. Again 10,200 you can see 13 lakhs build up. Again 10,300 you can see 13 lakhs build up. 10,400, see every 100 points there is a huge resistance for the market to go up. In 10,500 is huge build up of 15 lakhs OI. Okay, in call side. So you have to check with multiple data points and confirm what will happen. So going up is difficult. That is what data points are suggesting. Okay, while going down you can see 9,900 there is no much built up, only 8. Okay, only 8,60,000. In 9,800 it is 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakhs is huge build up. So as you told, when it is coming down, it will okay, going down will be easy for the market, and then it will take support at 9,900. It can be broken, I think so. There is no data point support in the candlestick. So 9,800 it may stop briefly, then 9,700. You can see here in 9,500 there is a huge build up. This is change in OI is 10 lakhs and 23 lakhs build up. So 9,500 will act as a very huge support again as of today's data. Right, we'll check our volume. This is a weekly candle, friends. In weekly you can see from past 4 weeks there is no much volume. So this up move, down move, both are not supported by volume. See, it came down from year to year. It is not supported by volume. So let us see what turns out to be tomorrow. We'll see the day candle. As far as the day candle is concerned, you can see there is good volume, but if it has crossed the average volume and then gone, it could have been much more better. Okay, 1 minute, we'll make it bigger such that it is visibility is more. Sorry, I don't know what has happened. Volume is not. 1 minute, will add volume. You can see it has crashed. Let us see. It has to going for market going up. It has to struggle a lot. It has to generate more volume than Friday. Okay, this is our conclusion as far as Nifty is concerned. We'll just take a quick wrap on Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty has the same case. You can see Bank Nifty has got a resistance as 55 moving average. It just closed about our 21, but 55 it is taking a resistance. Okay, then if it has to cross this 21,148 will be a difficult task. Here also it has got multiple resistance points going up. So coming down looks more easier with data points than going up. Okay, again from intraday perspective, it has to close. It has the high has to be taken, then it will reach 20,930, then 21,100 change will be again a resistance. If it takes out, then we will see this thing in our next video. So tomorrow video, right? Major indices, money control. US market has closed in positive, and then tomorrow morning is the best time to see. I'm just wanted to show you this because again tomorrow morning, because there was Saturday Sunday holiday, what development happens recently. So tomorrow morning, every day morning around between 8 and 8:30 you see the world indices that will be more relevant to our market. Right, friends, hope you like this video. Okay, please subscribe to our channel, also press the bell icon. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Right, thank you.